Hey guys, welcome back. Hopefully you had a good weekend. Monday recap here on the long-term account. Today was pretty good, up 366. Still kind of rotating into the pre-COVID stuff. So travel, leisure, entertainment, all the stuff that got killed during COVID. People are kind of rotating into those since there's the vaccine news with Pfizer. So tech stocks are kind of hanging out or dropping, and AAL, American Airlines, went up today. AbbVie, I don't know what just happened, just right at the bell though. Big green spike. I don't know if that's real or not, but also the SPY right here at the bell just went nuts. It goes Apple News or something. I'm not sure, but it just closed the market, so I don't know if there'll be more news coming out today. But at this point, I haven't really heard anything. But SPY went up. I did get a all credit spread earlier in the day, right about here. So that won't be good if SPY's up. The 364, 363 call. So it's basically got to be below 363 tomorrow. And yeah, we'll see. I'm bearish. Just looking at not with that green candle. Well, without that one, we've got a red candle below the 9 moving average. It was already overbought. It crossed the MACD. I guess it could be kind of a double top here. I don't know. But yeah, I think it'll probably come back down a little bit tomorrow. This is pretty high on the daily too on the RSI. So yeah, I opened up this one. It actually doesn't expire till Wednesday because that's the next expiration. So I've got 2 days on it. I kind of want to scale in just because if tomorrow's really red, I won't be able to get the same premium. I don't have enough buying power right now either on this account to do more than one, and usually I open them just a day before they expire, so I just decided to open up one. Remember I rolled over this Tesla credit spread from my phone, so I was able to get a look at it today. Yeah, so basically I did have to put up more collateral. My original collateral on it I think was $500, and the credit was like 126. I don't know if there was another position I could have rolled into that wouldn't have cost more collateral. Probably not. But this one, yeah, basically costs 500 more collateral. It expires December 4th. So let's see, is that right? Yeah, December 4th. Oh, down here. So 2 Fridays. So not this Friday, not next Friday, but the Friday after that. So, I mean, Tesla, I feel like it could easily run up there unless if it just sells off for a while. Yeah, what's going on with AbbVie? Up 2% almost after hours. That's weird. That looks like it's real. So on the chart, like, it looks like it could be kind of bearish now. The 9 moving average is below the 180. So we'll see though. Tesla could easily come up to 420 just in one day. But if it like sells off for a couple weeks and it's down to like 370 or further, excuse me, if it comes down to like, I don't know, this support down here at 328, we'll see. It's just been consolidating since 828, so 8, 9, 10, 11, like 3 months. Consolidation, just kind of big range, slowly getting smaller, so it's ready to kind of break out one way or the other. We'll see. We'll see what happens with that. But yeah, so I've got more tied up in this than I'd like, but it's okay. So basically right now it says total return plus 72. I think the way Robinhood works is the account's reflecting the account, it's reflecting that this is already credited, and so basically if I wanted to close this, I would be I'd be paying back $268 per contract, which is $600 or so for 2 of them, 500 something. So then I would be down 500 something. So basically the $500 credit that or the $500 collateral that I originally put up is now rolled back into this play, and now Tesla has to close above 420 for this to expire worthless, and then I would get my 500 collateral back. Well, I'd get the full 1,000 collateral back. And then I'd also receive the $126 from the original credit. And then I think the new credit was, I don't know, it was like another $80, I think. So I will make more money on the play if it goes up, if it goes in the right direction by the 4th. But who knows? Solo kind of is dropping, so that's good for my covered calls. They're starting to lose value. And these expire on Friday. Now I was looking at it, and if you think about it, if Solo comes down, I mean, this is a 2,000% contract. Solo comes back down, I might just do like a longer term call, like a month or two. It gets back into like this 175, $2 range. Because then if it just has this crazy pop like it did here, and even, you know, whatever, 2000%. This was a $10 contract someone bought, and it turned into $200. So buy like 10 of those, 2000%er. We'll see. I mean, that's basically how it works on the other end. But I was just thinking about that. And then let's see, Rocket went up today. Some. I have a debit spread on that. It's not doing a whole lot on the contract premium, fortunately. But yeah, it was up 3.5% today. I thought about closing out, but it still looks like it's bullish to me. So I think it'll keep going. This one does expire Friday, so it's pretty close. We're down. Yeah. I don't know why I lost so much premium today. I guess after the weekend, there's just a lot less time now. We had a Course Air that I sold out of today for a small profit. This one right here. Course Air Gaming. Just didn't want to have that much exposure. SPY was kind of selling off, and I didn't need any more calls. This was 110.90, so we made 20 bucks on that one. No big deal. Shares today though, yeah, AbbVie just ripped up after hours, but again, pre-COVID, American Airlines went up. CNK had a huge spike again today, but then it came back down. That was up like 12%. The movie theater, Cinemark. I've got a cover call on that too for $12.50, so I'll probably be exercised unless that comes below 12.5 by Friday. We'll see. Oh wow, went up today. Oh, there's RKT, Rocket, and that's pretty much it for the long term. It's a pretty green day for us, really. I don't have a whole lot in like COVID tech stocks, you can tell, just because when I started buying in the long term, it was pretty recently, and a lot of these tech ones that I want are already up a bunch since COVID. So on my list down here, I would just go through and see what was, look through each stock and see what was a good deal at that point. And at that time, it was a lot of dividend and growth that were cheap, and so that's how we're up on long term, because they've run up the last couple weeks. Like AbbVie, well now Cinemark, but I got Cinemark shares just from selling puts and being exercised. Oh, Square, I did get into some Square because I got it at a good deal. Tesla's gone up and down for us. So these are Solo and Cinemark are up a bunch on the shares, but I have covered calls, so those aren't really realized gains in a way, because my gains are capped on these at $4 for Solo, $3.50 for that 100, $4 for that 100, and then CNK I'm capped at $12.50. So these aren't, I guess, realized gains, you could say. But yeah, didn't do a whole lot. Did the SPY credit spread today on this, and then on Webull, we picked up a Facebook put expiring January 15th. This Facebook's kind of stayed flat, and the other tech has been selling off, you see. So kind of the other social media type stuff has been selling off. If you look at COVID type stuff, Zoom sold off. I think Peloton's even so. Just the rotation out of these COVID stocks. I guess Facebook did have that big dump, but it's kind of gotten flat here. So thinking it might be due for some more rotation out of that and into travel, but we'll see on the vaccine. If there's bad vaccine news, that could end this little rotation. Nothing new on the Webull account though. Kept it pretty chill today, which is good. Don't overtrade. I don't know why SPY shot up for hours. I think it was like Apple news, maybe Microsoft. I don't know. Something made SPY just bounce up after hours. Upped it a little bit. Our E-Trade account. So we've got AMC shares that are up today 4%. Again, just that rotation. This is another movie theater. So they're up today 4.5. But this one, I mean, this one's a little more sketchy than CNK. This looks like a bear flag to me. Good sell out. I'm down overall on it 10%, so I'm not going to sell it. DraftKings shares pretty flat today. This is a fake percentage. I have a snap put. UVX calls and VIX calls, they were up today, now they're back down. They're pretty volatile, so I'm still holding these for the next. These expire in January. So I'm thinking the market's gonna have a big correction and be pretty volatile the next couple months. Snappy chat. It was going down, and then let's see what's going on here. Yeah, I'm bearish on Snapchat. The 9's below the 180. Can't really, it keeps making lower highs, lower lows. So really, I could have scaled into that one even today. I don't know why. It's all messed up on here. It's so annoying when it does that. So today's market gain's not 100%. Open market gains on it's not even a spread. I don't know why it's so messed up on here. My cost base is 0.1 to set. Oh, the huge spread in the bid and the ask. Okay, so I could probably get 5 or 6. Oh wow, why has it lost so much value? See, I way overpaid for this thing. There's the chart of that actual option price. I don't know when I bought it, but you can see this put has just lost value. This is why it's nice to sell premium, guys. Sell the puts, sell the calls. Here's a case in point right here. I should have looked. I need to be looking more at that chart, or the chart of the options. For a while there, I was looking at them a lot. It was like before I'd do any option trade, buy any premium play, I would check the chart, see what the price was, see if it was a good deal. I haven't been doing that lately because I probably bought that somewhere around here, and it just had a lot more premium than it does now, because now it's like slowly melting. But with it being a bear flag, or not a bear flag, but kind of this bearish trend, it could be kind of slowly flat and then a big drop. So we'll just wait for that one. Well, it does expire 27th, so it's coming up next Friday on that one. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the long term, guys. Hopefully you had a good day in the market. My main concern right now is that Tesla just goes up to 420 or higher. I picked 420 on purpose. Elon Musk he's cheeky like that. He likes 420 and other numbers together. The child, so we'll see. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to sub up, like up, comment down, make your money happy money, so to stick around. And if you haven't seen our wheel strategy account, it seems to be liked by many. Check it out. I'll be uploading the review on that today. It's our $10,000 Robinhood account that I'm just doing the wheel on. Picked up a bunch of plays today. Make sure to hit the notification so you get notified. That video I upload to the same channel but on a different playlist. This goes under daily trade recap playlist. That is going to go under a wheel strategy account or something like that rather. But yeah, I'm going to do a quick video on that real quick so you can see that wheel account. I kind of had a little not a breakthrough. I'm not really specifically focused on doing the wheel. It's always been, I'll get into it in that video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.